Hello, welcome to the channel. This arrived earlier today. This Gundam model kit is actually from China, from AliExpress. It's actually taped. Oh wow. Okay. Well, the quality of the box isn't that great. The aerial. This one's in translucent plastic. I hope everything inside is fine. It's looking that way. Okay. Oh, looks like it comes with a base. Okay. One baggie. Look at the instructions. Okay, this seems pretty decent to follow. Okay, that's good. Oh, there's a couple. Where'd that come from? Okay, got some stickers. Got a base. This is B1. It's for faxing beam sabers. Some more parts. This is B2, I think. Yeah, B2. Okay, got some special parts here for F. Oh, some pieces came off. That's for the head, obviously. Which sprue is this one? C. Okay. I got a bunch of stuff here. This is A. Alright. Well, it's pretty late right now. So I'm hoping to maybe build this tomorrow during the day or something like that. This was just the unboxing. And yeah, I think that's going to do it for this video. Actually, I'll put the lid back on. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed and have a good one.